usual hostess for Time with Alumni today is handling Student in Focus. And we have with us a student, a fourth-year student of electric and electronical engineering, right? Daniel Tsatsu Selormey. So you're welcome. We are going to ask him some questions. This actually focuses on the individual, what he's doing. And we usually select people whom we think are in school and doing something unique, something that is worthy of showing in our newsletter. So
thank you very much for the nice welcome.
So you were the past chair of IEEE.
Yes, that's right.
What is IEEE?
Okay, so IEEE simply stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It's the world's largest technical professional organization, and they're all over the world. So,
by what statistics can you claim it is the world's largest?
Okay, so we have over 500,000 members all over, the globe.
The world.
So,
okay.
Yeah, that's, a huge number.
That's a huge number.
Yes.
We hear. Okay, so like I was asking him earlier prior to this, I thought you were the founder, but you say IEEE was already in existence here and you revived it. So how long had it lain dormant?
So I don't know the exact number of years, but then since I came to KNUST in first year, and hearing from past seniors and all that, most of them don't.
When the past seniors are who? Were you in SHS when you heard about this?
No. I heard about it when I came to school, like not in school.
So you have no idea exactly how long it has lain dormant.
Yes,
However, it wasn't active.
It wasn't active
so
at all.
You energized, re-energized, reactivated. It's all.
Yeah, I brought a team together.
What year was that? In
that
your
was
first year, second year?
20. So I heard about it in 2023, and in 2024 we started putting measures in place to.
And in 2023, what year were you in?
2023, I was in first year.
Okay.
Yes.
So how did you hear about it?
So in 2023, after my second semester during vacation, I had this uncle, Engineer Felix Akpaglo. He is a senior member in IEEE.
Okay.
So normally he encourages me to build myself professionally and all that. So he sends me resources to read, and I think one time out of the blue, he just sent me a link, and it was about a competition for students to participate in. IEEE normally invest in their students a lot. So he told me about it, and he sent it to me, and then I tapped on the link, and then that's how I found myself registering as a student member. So I was just tapping. And then I remember at the end of the process, they were like, I should pay $14. And I'm like, I'm not going to pay that. So I told him about it, and he was like, it's good. IEEE helps students and all that. So it would be nice if I, joined. But it's all, the ball is in my court.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how your uncle, should I say, ignited this whole thing. And then what made you eventually start the IEEE? Sorry.
So I wanted to bring together students, like-minded students who would who are passionate about solving problems in the community, helping people, giving back, and all that. So
and then also create the opportunity for them to benefit, like you.
Yes. I've benefited a lot from IEEE.
He's actually been to France as a result of IEEE.
Yeah, and South Africa.
Yes. I shouldn't have left that out. Yes.
So
and not just the trips, you've also gained quite a number of networking opportunities as a result.
Once you go for these conferences, you get to meet people. And in the long run, they tend to help you because they don't see so many students
as active as
So once they see that you're active, every opportunity
it's you,
they send it to you and tell you to share with your network or something. So once I get the opportunity, I share with everyone around me to also benefit.
That's great. So let's move away from the inception of this whole thing, or should I say the revival of IEEE, and let's come to you as an individual. So give us just a brief history of yourself. Where did you go to primary school, your secondary school? Just walk us through up to this point, and I'll follow up with some more.
Okay, so for my primary school education, I went to Blessed Clementina Catholic School.
Where?
And Blessed Clementina
Yeah, where?
Catholic School in Ashaiman.
Okay, Accra.
Yeah,
You're an Accra boy.
Yeah, Tema. Right now I live in Tema, Const 25. Yeah, so from there, I moved to St. Augustine's College,
Okay.
Cape Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, so from St. Augustine's
Then
College.
you came here.
Then,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So you were in
And
that
just-
Catholic school from primary to GHS, then Oga school.
Yes.
And then the ever prestigious KNUST.
The best university.
And the best college.
Best college.
Yes. Okay. That's good to know. Well, while you were in school, in any of those stages, were you involved in any leadership positions?
Okay, so back in JHS, I was the head boy. But then in SHS,
You didn't stand or vie for any position.
Yeah, participate in any
Then
leadership.
you came to university and invited for a position.
Yes, so in uni, in my second year, I went for the faculty vice president's position,
Okay.
and I mean, God being so good, we won the
got it.
elections, and I also used that position to, advocate for students like for IEEE, for instance. I use that as a platform to share more things about IEEE so that students would
get the opportunity. But still, it was very much towards just students who are reading electrical and electronic engineering and computing.
So I was vice president for the Faculty of Electrical and Computer Engineering.
So that benefited. That's great.
Yes, so it was that's computer, biomedical, electrical, and telecom. So for departments.
So they all also fall under the IEEE.
Oh yeah,
biomedical
IEEE
as
is
well.
actually for everyone, not just for the electrical engineering.
When you say everyone, what do you mean?
All engineering.
Civil can benefit from
Civil
it.
can benefit
Mechanical
from
can benefit
mechanical.
from it. In what way?
Yes, so that I think before we started this, I was telling you we have societies, about 39 societies.
Explain the society system.
Yes, so IEEE is very big, and because it's
global.
big, everyone has a role to play. So we have, for instance, the Industrial Application Society.
Okay.
They actually sponsored most of my trips.
Okay.
So to France and Johannesburg.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we have the Computer Society. During later, I'll talk about the Computer Society and how we benefited from the Computer Society. We have the Instrumentation and Measurement Society. We have
so you have a number of societies, all under certain
I
themes.
can mention.
All right.
So
how do you benefit from it? You were saying that
for the Computer Society. So one of the initiatives I'm most happy about is the fact that we were able to secure $8,000 from IEEE Computer Society Diversity and Inclusion Funds to organize a program we named TechAble. So it was a project, and it happened last year, 2025. It happened for 8 weeks, and through that program, we were able to train 44 students with disability, with digital skills.
Okay.
So for the skills, we had tracks in website development, graphic design, and then digital marketing. So these students actually benefited a lot from the program.
Definitely.
Yeah, some of them securing internship slots at Amalitech Ghana.
Okay.
I don't know if you've heard about it. It's a big tech company.
Yes.
Yeah, in Ghana. Amalitech, they were interested in the project, and we signed an MOU with them. So that the student branch signed an MOU with them. Yes. So those who took the program seriously benefited a lot from it.
And with this $8,000 grant you got to run this program, you were also talking about the purchase of other equipment that are still in use as a result.
Yes. So we got VR headsets, projectors, laptops, and those are the ones I remember.
That's impressive.
For now. Yes.
I mean, the fact that you were able to secure even a grant of such magnitude, and you were also able to put it to good use.
Yeah. So my vice chair at the time, Samuel, said he wrote a proposal for that, and we received the funds as a student
Great, you are
branch.
giving credit where it's due.
Yes.
Vice Chair, what's his name?
Samuel Osei.
Shout out to you, Samuel Osei.
Yeah, Samuel Osei. So,
okay.
I mean, I had a pretty solid team. Stephen Owusu was the current president, was our treasurer. Okay. Mamia Bena was our secretary, and I mean...
So right now, he's giving shout outs to all his...
I mean, so my team members are there. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Yes, of course, a good team makes a good leader.
Yes.
And a good leader, vice versa, you know. Well done. Well done, Daniel. So is there anything else you've been able to do or you're working on at the moment you'd like to share with us?
Okay, so currently I still serve as the chair for Industry Application Society.
Okay.
And
that's a society
it's a society under IEEE.
On campus?
Yes,
or the
on campus.
On campus.
Yes, so so with that society, I had to write a petition to form it here.
Okay.
So after forming it,
even though it's under IEEE, is also a bit autonomous since you have to write.
Yeah, so you write a proposal to IEEE for them to approve of it and all that. So yeah, I wrote a proposal. They went to, I mean, if they didn't, since they didn't, if they don't understand anything, they send it back to me, and then I'd have to make the corrections and send them back. So it wasn't an easy process, but I was able to push through, and we got the student branch chapter active.
Very impressive.
Yeah, so later they sent us a chapter startup fund, but that's not so huge. It was just $500. And
of course, once you have tasted $8,000, $500 isn't huge.
Yeah, so currently we are using that to give back to the community.
Okay.
So
in what ways?
So we currently have an outreach program we've been running at the KNUST Basic School. Since we are students here at KNUST, we have to benefit from give back to the university's basic school.
That's a good step.
Yeah, so we take them to some basic skills in electronics. So yeah, I got a couple of volunteers who are passionate about that.
Is it like a club?
So they are the Industry Application Society, the team.
No, working with the basic school. Yes. Have you created something like a club, or what do you do?
Yes, so it's their science, I think their science team, their science club.
Okay, yes, it's through a club you are working.
Yeah, so we are working with them and preparing them for their competitions.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's like
and
science.
Just to encourage them to consider a career in electrical engineering.
I can tell that's the whole aim.
Yeah, that's...
Even if they don't veer into electrical engineering, at least engineering becomes something that they are aware of.
I mean, most of them want to go into the medical field and all that.
Can you blame them? Everyone wants a secure job for their child.
Yeah.
So if you are able to, should I say, convince parents, convince children that there are jobs in your field, then they will come rushing.
Yeah.
But what you've done is really impressive, Daniel.
Thank you so much.
I'm so grateful we've been able to have this talk with you. Keep at it. Keep doing it.
Thank you very much.
Well done.